Hello everyone, in this video, let us answer the question of how much inventory do we carry. You will learn the value, trend, breakdown, and economic indications of inventory. Now, from the US Census data, we plot monthly sales, orange line, and inventory, blue line, from 1992 to 2018 for the US. As we can see, except for the drop around year 2009 due to the financial crisis, both sales and inventory are growing. Up to 2018, we carry about $2 trillion of inventory. Here we plot the inventory over sales ratio, which is an indicator of inventory efficiency. The lower the ratio, we need less inventory to meet the same demand, which means a higher inventory efficiency. For the same time period, we found that inventory efficiency was improving constantly up to 2008, but was disrupted by the financial crisis. And afterwards, inventory efficiency was dropping. Now I want to show you the logistics cost breakdown to see the weight of inventory as compared to other logistic costs as a percentage of the sales. As of year 2005, which is a typical year, inventory-related costs accounts for 1.8% of the sales, where all logistic costs, including transportation, inventory, warehousing, and so on, account for 7.5% of the sales. We can break down the inventory by different segments of the supply chain, from manufacturing, distribution, and wholesaling to retailing. Data shows that manufacturing has the highest amount of inventory, about 39%, and wholesaling the least, 26%. However, the difference is not very significant, and so inventory management is equally important for manufacturers, wholesalers, and retailers. Within a manufacturing firm, we can further break down the inventory by material types, such as raw materials and supply, half-finished products or work in progress, and finished goods. Data shows an almost equal split of inventory in dollar value among these three types of materials. Thus, it is equally important to manage inventory for raw materials, work in progress, and finished goods. So, where is inventory in the US? This map of US publicly traded companies shows that companies headquartered in Illinois were carrying the most inventory, which is followed by Texas and California. Companies in these states may be concerned about inventory. In China, companies headquartered in the Guangdong province were carrying the most inventory, which is followed by Beijing and other coastal provinces. The World Bank data on inventory changes provides many interesting indications on the world's major economies. First, China's inventory changes follow the pattern of the US, but are slightly lagged behind and much more dramatic than the US in recent years. Part of the reason is that China was supplying US. And second, the times of major economic recessions coincides well with the negative changes of inventory. In fact, a significant and negative change of inventory is a strong indicator of economic recession. And thirdly, the changes are swing bigger and bigger as time goes by, with an almost exponential growth. And finally, Germany has a different pattern in inventory changes from the US. A significant and consistent reduction of inventory in recent years, indicating a very different industrial practice on inventory management. This map shows the countries that are carrying the most inventories based on the financial data of publicly traded companies. We can see that China, US, and Japan were carrying the most inventories in dollar value in 2019. The bar chart shows more clearly the proportions. China's inventories is more than twice as much as that of the US. Japan is the third, and they are followed by Germany, France, South Korea, and United Kingdom. In fact, the inventory carried by China in dollar value is more than the combined inventory of the top 7 countries, excluding China.